Oh, it's 1:50 in the morning. We were supposed to get in around 12:30, but we just drove 166 miles, averaging 60 miles an hour on the donut. I'm gonna show you how it's looking. Let me grab a light for you all. All right, this will do the trick. It looks mint. So I don't buy that these things are gonna blow apart. Obviously, follow your gut. But that looks good. I'm not seeing any weather cracks. You can see right along here, 60 PSI. Max load, 60 PSI. Tubeless. Temp T1. You could look up what that means. 07 is the date code on this one. And here's the old tire. The tire that blew out. See, I can push with it. So this one's a goner. Hope it is the next day. She's still hauling air. Just called the tire shop. They got a tire to switch on there. So we're gonna go get it switched out and back to normal. Little Lexus that could. Woo, this is our big road trip car. I'll show you why here in a second. We paid $3,000 for it. Tank average 29.6. I typically get about 27. We got a little bit better because we couldn't go as fast because we had the spare tire on. It's got 167,000 miles on it. And this past trip, this trip B, which is right here, we did almost 1,300 miles. We had the tire pressure light come on before we left. Me and my wife decided, we'll probably just go for it because it was turning on and off. And come to find out there was a screw in the tire. So we drove all the way up there with said screw in the tire. And we discovered that the screw was in the tire when we drove through Idaho, Oregon, then Washington, parked, hopped on a ferry, went over to Canada, ferried back. Fun time. Go to Victoria if you're in the area. Very unique experience. And when we came back, the tire pressure light wasn't turning off. So we pulled into Les Schwab. I had him look at the tire, and there's a nail in the unpatchable part of the tire. Now, if anybody's ever had a nail in their tire, they can relate to this whole situation where people, certain tire shops will not repair the sidewall area within an inch or so. I don't know, I think you can still fix it. They claim that it's gonna flex too much and that's gonna leak or blow out, so it's too much of a liability. So we were stuck between just airing it up, sending it, me going and getting a patch kit and hoping that I can patch it, or waiting until Tuesday for a new tire. So we aired it up and we went on our merry way. And we had a lot of smooth miles underway. This car, if anybody is looking for a road trip car, ISs are great as long as you don't have 4 people or a car seat back there. They're perfect for 2 people. You can scoot the seat all the way back. They're awesome. And on the way back, we made it all the way to LeGrand, about 166 miles away from our house.